Hello guys, welcome back to another factual video. Hundreds of questions struck your mind every day, and most of them end up with no answer. Well, we are not talking about the question related to your personal life. We are covering some curious and interesting questions along with fascinating answers that might amaze you. The answers are based on science and general facts. So let's begin our video and find out how smart you actually are. Question number 5. What is the color of mirror? Short answer is green. Humans can differentiate 10 million different colors, but it's hard to imagine the mirror is not white or silver. It is actually the color of whatever is reflected onto it. The perfect mirror reflects all images in the exact opposite direction, angle of reflection and distance, so the color of the mirror would be kind of smart white. But we live in a real world where there is no perfect mirror. Every real mirror absorbs a very tiny amount of light. In particular, it best reflects light within the 510 nanometer range, which is the spectrum of visible green light. So technically, your mirror is pitchy green. Question number 4. How much of our brain do we use? Short answer is 100%. It has been misattributed to many people, including Albert Einstein, that we only use 10% of our brains. This myth was originated in the 1890s by the father of American psychology, William James. He said, most of us do not meet our mental potential, and this misunderstanding stuck for a long time. The truth is, we use virtually every part of the brain, and most of the part is active all the time. In fact, during sleep, all parts of your brain remain active. It is true that every part of the brain is not concurrently active at a given moment. For the maximum efficiency and in order to be conscious at all, 1 to 16% of the cells should be active. Furthermore, most of the cells are used to control unconscious activities such as heart rate, dreaming, etc. The human brain requires 20% more than any other organ of the body energy. In children, that figure is 50% and in infants, it is 60%. It contains more neurons, around 86 billion, than any other species. And this dense neuron packing is what makes us so smart. Question number 3. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? The short answer is egg. But why? Listen to the explanation. The egg-laying animals existed way far before the chicken came. So technically the egg came before the chicken. Let's take the clock many moons ago, when there were no chickens. A creature very similar to chicken, let's call it proto-chicken, would have it with other proto-chicken. The two organisms passed their genes in the form of DNA. However, the application of DNA is never 100% accurate and very often produces a tiny change for the new organism. These tiny changes in DNA could create a new species over thousands of generations. Same happened with the proto-chicken. Question number 2. What is the resolution of the human eye? 576 megapixels. The digital images are made of millions of tiny tiles-like elements. The more these tiny elements, called pixels, the more will be the resolution. A single megapixel is equivalent to 1 million pixels in an image. If you know the width and height of an image, you can calculate how many pixels your camera gets by simply multiplying them. Also, the megapixels have nothing to do with the quality of the image. Quality depends on exposure, focus, lighting, camera lens, and various other factors. However, the human eye doesn't work as a digital camera. In good light, you can distinguish two lines if they are separated by at least 0.6 arc minutes. Equivalent pixel size is 0.3 arc minutes. Now, if you take a 120-degree horizontal field on 60-degree vertical plane as your total plane of view, then the resolution of your eye would be 120 into 120 into 60 into 60 by 0.3 into 0.3 is equals to 576,000,000 pixels is equals to 576 megapixels. The largest bout of hiccups lasted for 68 years. Yes, 68 years. And this record is held by Charles O'Brien. Where is the center of the universe? Everywhere. You might think me as a crazy, but this answer is everywhere. The universe started with a Big Bang about 13.7 billion years ago, and it has been expanding ever since. The center of this expansion is everywhere. No matter where you are in the universe, everything will seem to be expanding or moving away from you at the same rate. Now you may ask, Aren't we located at same point with the respect to the universe? Well, we are certainly are. If you have a powerful telescope that could see all the way to the end of the universe, would you find more universe on one side of Earth than the other? No, it looks the same in all directions. That doesn't mean the Earth is the center. Let's take the universe as a balloon that is being inflated with air. Imagine yourself as one of the many dots on a spherical balloon. The other dots will be getting away from you as the balloon gets bigger. In fact, every dot is getting farther from each other at the same rate, no matter what dot you present. It looks as you are the center of the expanding balloon. The same happens in three-dimensional space. So this was for today. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe the channel. I am very sorry for uploading the video very late. It has been almost 3 weeks. I'll not do from now. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Let's meet in another amazing video.